Hey YouTubers, Robb Moffett. Guys, want to talk about some accessories you can use on your 22 rifle or carbine. I recently purchased this Rossi RS-22, and because I like making things, I decided to make something for the buttstock out of a rubber bicycle tubing, and I wrapped it around the stock, and I made some magazine pouches out of some index card and some duct tape, and I was able to insert them underneath the rubber, and it worked rather well, but it did look pretty much redneck. So I was getting ready to make a sling out of the bicycle tubing, which would also be for free, wouldn't cost me anything. But you know what, let me look on Amazon and see what they have. I found that they had a sling that was for $3. I couldn't make this for $3. It's about 70 inches in length. It has some elastic here. It has these little clips that clip onto your swivels. It doesn't come with rings, I had to add them. And it has adjustable straps. It was $3. I think it's from a company called New Ship. I'll leave the link in the video description. I also purchased for $5 from a company, I think it's called Gellin. Let's see here. Gellin. I'll leave a link for them too. It was $5. It's a shotgun pouch. The deal is, though, I was able to take my 22 magazines and I put them inside some little plastic bags to keep them clean and from debris and dust. Because I don't like cleaning my gun and then putting a magazine in my pocket and getting dust and lint and all sorts of things all over it. So by putting it inside of a magazine, or a little plastic pouch, the magazine is able to be kept clean inside the shotgun pouch, and it can hold 3 of them. So these 3 plus the one I have that can be held in the magazine well of the rifle or the carbine makes 40 rounds. So that was something. I'll leave a link to both the shotgun shell pouch you can fit over your stock of your rifle or your carbine, and the little sling for $3. Of course, if you if you're a person that likes to make stuff for nothing, this was just a 3-foot length of bicycle tubing rubber, and one end had a little hole in it, and I wrapped it around the stock, and then I put the other end over the little swivel point. So that's my tip for today. You might be able to accessorize your little carbine for practically nothing on Amazon. All right, guys, hope there was something helpful to you. I put on new videos every week, and I'm going to have a review of the Rossi coming very soon. I wanted to get this video out because I'm testing a new camera mount I made to attach to the hat I'm wearing right now, so I could barely see anything because I have a Galaxy smartphone in front of my face. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.